What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Is your Epson printer able to print normally but Scan to PC suddenly stopped working? This is a very common issue with Wi-Fi Epson printers. You press Scan to computer but nothing happens, or the option is completely missing on the printer screen. Usually the problem isn't the printer itself, it happens because the Epson Scan service on your computer isn't running. The computer isn't registered with the scanner, or the network connection changed. The good news is that you can usually fix Epson Wi-Fi scanning problems in just a few minutes. Because in this video I'll show you safe step-by-step fixes to restore Scan to PC on Epson printers, so you can scan wirelessly again. Let's start with the most common cause and fix, which is enabling Scan to computer in Epson Scan utility. Epson printers need permission from your computer to send scans over the network. Just open the Start menu on your computer. Search for Epson Scan Settings or Epson Scan Utility. Open the program and inside the Settings window, look for the option Enable Scan to Computer. Make sure this option is checked or turned on. Also confirm that your computer name appears on the list of available devices. If the option was disabled, enabling it allows the printer to send scanned files directly to your PC again. Once enabled, try scanning from the printer again. Also, Wi-Fi scanning only works when the printer and computer are connected to the same network, so let's make sure the computer and printer are on the same Wi-Fi. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the Windows taskbar and confirm the network name. Next, check the network on the Epson printer screen. Open the printer's network settings and verify the Wi-Fi's name. If the networks are different, reconnect the printer or computer so they both use the same Wi-Fi network. Once they are both using the same network, try scanning again. Now, if not, let's restart the Epson Scan service. Sometimes that Epson Scan service stops running in the background. Restarting it can restore scanning functionality, so all you have to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and then press Enter. This will open the Windows Services list. Scroll down until you find Epson Scan Service or a similar Epson scanning service. Just right-click the service and choose Restart. Restarting the service refreshes communication between the printer and your computer, and after doing it, try using Scan to Computer again from the printer. Now, if the printer still cannot find your computer, let's re-add the scanner in Epson Scan Settings. You may need to register it. Just open Epson Scan Settings again. Look for a section called Scanner Address or Network Scanner. Click Add or Search, and the software will scan your network and select the Epson printer. Select your printer from the list and confirm, and this will reconnect the scanner with your computer so the Scan to PC feature works again. And finally, outdated drivers can also cause scanning problems, so let's update Epson scanner drivers. You need to open the Epson support website. Search for your printer model, then download the latest scanner driver or Epson Scan Utility for Windows. Install the updated software and restart your computer. Now, driver updates often fix scanning issues caused by Windows updates or network changes. And that's how you fix Epson Scan to PC not working over Wi-Fi. In most cases, enabling Scan to Computer in Epson Scan Settings or restarting the Epson Scan service solves the problem. And if your Epson printer still won't scan to your computer, leave a comment with your printer model and I'll try to help you out. And for more printer fixes, Windows troubleshooting guides, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.